Today I have a question for you people. How many of you think that you have given a lot of time, you have been practicing for a long time, but there is no improvement at all? You are not able to speak this language fluently. And that is why you want to quit your journey. That is why you want to stop learning this language. If this is your problem, then you must watch this video. Why? Because in this video, I am going to share with you why you should not worry about your fluency. Why you should wait for your fluency. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things. If you apply on you, then you can achieve anything. You can achieve fluency as well. So before I start sharing with you, I want you to take a closer look of my area. Look at behind me. And here, another question for you. What did you notice? I would say that you must have found that people, they have harvested their crop. Some of them, they have made bundle, right? So if you are from farmer family, you must be knowing that it takes a lot of time to grow any crop, right? The crop which you are able to see behind me, it also took approximately 6 months, okay? You know, my friend, farmer, when they sow the seed, they don't get impatient, right? They don't say that today I'm going to sow the seed, tomorrow I need a grown-up crop. You may have never ever heard from any farmer, right? Why? Because they understand and they believe in the nature law. What's the nature law? They know that if I am sowing today the seed of wheat crop or I'm planting the paddy, it has the certain time to grow, right? They understand, they believe in nature law. So, did they sow yesterday and today they made the bundle? No, it's not like that. They sowed the seed of wheat crop 6 months back, and after 6 months they harvested it, and successfully they are going to keep the wheat grain into their home. My friend, this is not the overnight process. You know, in this 6-month process, they did a lot of hard work. They watered the plant after a lot of effort, and they waited for a long time, and then they found this result. I mean, wheat crop grain or wheat grain, okay? So, when farmer didn't get the result over the night, then how can we expect to become a fluent speaker within few months, within few years, I would say. My friend, when a crop is taken 6 months time, then what about a language? I think usually a language takes, 3 years or 2 years. If I'm not wrong, it's my experience. You can ask to any person who is expert in learning languages. You can ask to them and clarify that how many months or how many years does it take to become a fluent speaker. My friend, once again, I want you to come on this topic. See, farmer had started getting impatient and destroying their farm. Would they be able to harvest their crop? Would they be able to put food grain, or I would say that wheat grain, into their home? No. They wouldn't be able to put, right? So, similarly, instead of thinking about quitting, instead of thinking about stopping our English speaking journey, we need to continue. We should not get attached with our result, right? What is our result as a learner? Getting fluency, right? Rather, we should try to enjoy the journey. That how much effort I'm putting, with whom I'm talking, what I'm learning. Try to learn new things. It could be new vocabulary, and while learning, try to enjoy. Don't take it as a burden, okay? And you will see that gradually your English will improve, and in this process you will learn a lot of things. Then try to wait. Then once again you may ask one question: oh, if I keep waiting, can I become a fluent speaker? No, my friend. If you simply keep waiting, you won't be able to become a fluent speaker. For that one, what you should try? You should try to speak this language every single day. You should try to practice every single day. If you think that simply sitting one place, putting one hand on the other hand and waiting for fluency, you won't be able to get fluency. Don't think about fluency. You need to put effort from your side. Which kinds of effort? As an English learner, start listening, start reading, start talking with people, and do whatever you can do for learning this language, right? But if you think that, okay, I have started learning this language, but I don't want to put effort and I don't want to maintain my consistency, then sorry to say you, my friend, you won't be able to speak this language as soon as you are thinking. It is going to take a lot of time. Okay, the more you are making excuses, the more you are going to procrastinate, the longer it is going to take. So if you want to see the instant result, or I would say that you can't accelerate, okay, the process of nature, right? It has its own process. The way I told you, the way nature helped to grow wheat crop, and it takes time. Similarly, it takes time to become a fluent speaker. It takes time to build something new. Okay, the bigger that thing is, the more time it is going to take. Okay, so wait and have patience. Don't think that I'm going to quit because I didn't find anything, or I'm not able to find anything. Okay, it's not good, my friend. See, I'm speaking this language today. What do you think? Did I spend only few months? I have spent a lot of time. I would say more than 2 years. I would share in my speaking journey. Very soon I will share my journey. In that one, I will explain everything, that when I started speaking this language, how I started, everything I'm going to explain in my journey. So wait for that video. Very soon I will try to record and post that video. Okay, so it takes time. I didn't become a fluent speaker, or the way I'm speaking, I didn't get it over the night, right? And let's take one example of me. Think, if I had stopped learning this language long back, would I be able to speak this language today? No, I wouldn't be able to speak this language today. But my friends, today I'm speaking because I kept practicing. Today I'm speaking because in between I didn't quit. And I was also getting impatient, but I kept learning from someone. In your case also, try to learn, try to ask, seek the suggestion, the person who is expert. But take care of one thing, that many people, they tell a lie also. They say that it has been only few months, I'm speaking so well. It has been only 10 days, but I'm able to speak things very properly. But my friend, as a beginner, as a novice in this language, you should not believe on them, because in 10 days learning a language, oh God, it won't be possible. No one can do it. Okay, if someone had already practiced and spoken this language for many years, for them it may need 10 days to activate their fluency. But the person who had never ever spoken this language in their entire life, and they are saying that I'm going to speak this language within 10 days, then don't believe in them. Okay, so ask to someone, seek the guidance from the person who is expert, that how many months you have given. Okay, so do these kinds of things, my friend. Examine and put effort from your side. Never stop learning. Okay, and one more thing also, stop thinking about your destination. Okay, maybe you won't enjoy your destination. Maybe it takes 10 years to become a fluent speaker. Then will you not enjoy your journey? The thing which you are doing today, my friend, it's my humble request, try to take interest in learning. Okay, and if you feel burdensome, like if you feel that it's boring, I can't learn things, then it becomes harder. But if you start enjoying, then it seems that what next? What should I learn? New things. Okay, so try to make it interesting rather than making it boring or non-interesting. Easier said than done, I would say. If things are very difficult, we can't enjoy. To be honest, when I was a beginner, I couldn't enjoy. When I started speaking little bit, I started understanding things easy way, I started enjoying. So if you are a beginner, अगर आप एक बिगिनर हैं तो शायद आप इसको इंटरेस्टिंग वे में नहीं लर्न कर पाते होंगे। अगर आप एक बिगिनर हैं तो आपके लिए चीज़ें आसान नहीं होंगी और शुरू में आप इसको डिफ़िकल्ट पाएंगे, लेकिन जब आप इसको लर्न करते जाएंगे तो चीज़ें आसान होती जाएंगी, ठीक है। तो आप ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लीजिए, फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनेंगे। बल्कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए जितना हो सके उतना। मैंने स्टोरी बताया ना कि फार्मर कभी भी इम्पेशेंट नहीं होते हैं, वो अपने धैर्य को नहीं खोते हैं, ठीक है। वो पूरे धैर्य से वेट करते हैं, कितने मंथ के लिए, 6 मंथ के लिए, 5 मंथ के लिए, क्योंकि वो नेचर के लॉ में बिलीव करते हैं। वो जानते हैं कि इस पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप के लिए 6 मंथ लगता है, इस पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप के लिए 3 मंथ्स लगता है, ठीक है। लेकिन हम ये नहीं जान पा रहे हैं कि लैंग्वेज को लर्न करने में, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को स्पेशली हम नहीं जान पाते हैं कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को लर्न करने में कितना टाइम लगता है। तो हमें इसको फिगर आउट करना चाहिए। वी नीड टू फिगर आउट दैट हाउ मेनी मंथ्स और हाउ मेनी ईयर डज इट टेक टू बिकम अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर, राइट। वंस वी फिगर आउट, वंस वी फाइंड द आंसर, things will become little easy because we'll come to know, okay, it is going to take that much time, then I should not worry, rather I should try to learn small things, right. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.